Here's a little deal of little Boulder Opal preforms, offcuts, whatever you'd like to call it. Unknown fields, rules in millimeters, just to give you an idea. So they're not big pieces. I'll zoom in so you get a better look. Okay, this is just holding the rule just above the stones. You can see some of them moving, just to give you an idea of the sizes. I've just tipped these out of a bag. Most have got colour, some description. Some are better than others, like that little piece there is very nice. It's only small, but a few of those will pay for the little deal. A piece like that can still be cut into a nice long stone. Anyway, what I'm going to do is put them in a jar and with some water and just tumble them so you get an idea of. But don't forget that jars, I tend not to try to show stuff in jars because it makes them look bigger than what they are. Anyway, I'll go and put them in a jar and come back. Cheers. I've put them in that little jar like I said I would, and as you can see, there's that big flake. Looks bigger in the jar. I don't think that's very fair to people, but it gives you an idea of what the rest of them are like. You can see the bubble. Tried to fill it up as much as I could. Little red stone there. I'm just moving them quickly just to get them stirred up a bit more for you. I'll go slower again. But there's quite a few little stones there. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.